Wow, guys, severe thunderstorm warning, high wind. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go ahead and check the mail. Look at that cloud. Woo! It's really breezy out here. The mail ain't here yet. You guys probably can hear the wind. It's getting insane.
If you call, and then
I know. I'm just gonna show from this window now. Even though I don't know if you guys will be able to see it very well, but I'm gonna try.
it's supposed to rain from pretty soon till 11 or 12 o'clock tomorrow. Did you know that?
No, I didn't.
Yeah,
Holy
it's
moly.
supposed to rain all for about 12 hours.
Man.
Or 20 hours.
Oh, man.
Off and on, like it did a while back.
Yeah, we may not actually be working today. The weather's getting bad.
We're not going to work. I really doubt it.
Aw, squirrel.
Yeah.
Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.